Imagine a world without buttons pants perpetually slipping, shirts flapping in the wind, and chaos reigning supreme in the fashion realm. Thankfully, buttons have been our steadfast companions, keeping our garments intact and our dignity preserved. But have you ever pondered how these tiny heroes are mass-produced? Buckle up as we embark on a journey through the fascinating world of button manufacturing. A brief stroll down button lane. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of modern production, let's tip our hats to the button's illustrious history, a journey that intertwines fashion, utility, and innovation. Originating over 5,000 years ago in the Indus Valley civilization, early buttons were crafted from shells, bones, and even stones. These buttons were less about keeping garments intact and more about showcasing one's artistic flair. Fast forward to ancient Rome and China, buttons began evolving into symbols of status, with intricate designs crafted from precious metals and stones. It wasn't until the 13th century in Europe that the humble button truly revolutionized clothing, thanks to the invention of the buttonhole. This simple yet ingenious addition allowed buttons to secure garments effectively, marking the beginning of their functional dominance. During the Renaissance, buttons became a statement of wealth, with royalty and nobility donning garments adorned with buttons encrusted with jewels. By the Industrial Revolution, advances in machinery enabled mass production, making buttons accessible to all social classes. Today, buttons not only serve as practical fasteners, but also as design elements that add personality to fashion. Materials. The building blocks of buttons. In the grand tapestry of button manufacturing, the choice of material lays the foundation for functionality and aesthetics. Modern buttons are crafted from a variety of materials, each offering unique benefits. Plastics, such as polyester, nylon, and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, dominate the industry due to their durability, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. Polyester buttons are particularly prized for their strength and resistance to wear. Metal buttons, made from brass, aluminum, or stainless steel, add a touch of sophistication and robustness, often gracing high-end garments and uniforms. For those seeking an eco-friendly or artisanal touch, natural materials like wood, bone, coconut shells, and Corozo nuts provide a rustic charm, appealing to niche markets despite the higher costs and sourcing challenges. The plastic button manufacturing odyssey. The journey of plastic buttons from raw materials to finished products is a seamless blend of chemistry, engineering, and artistry. It begins with material preparation, where plastic resins such as polyester, ABS, or nylon, often delivered in pellet form, are carefully mixed with colorants and additives to achieve specific hues and properties, including the lustrous look of mother-of-pearl created with specialized pigments. Once the resin is ready, it's heated to a molten state and shaped through either injection molding or compression molding. Injection molding involves injecting the molten plastic into a mold cavity under high pressure for intricate designs, while compression molding uses pre-measured amounts of plastic compressed into heated molds to form buttons. After molding, the buttons are cooled, solidified, and ejected from the molds. But their journey doesn't end there. Any rough edges or excess material are trimmed and smoothed during the trimming and deflashing process, followed by polishing in tumbling machines with abrasive materials to achieve a glossy and tactile finish. Holes are then drilled with precision machinery, giving the buttons their functional form. Rigorous quality control measures, including automated inspection systems with cameras and sensors, ensure that only flawless buttons proceed to packaging. Buttons meet the 21st century. Button manufacturing has undergone a transformative shift with groundbreaking technological advancements that have elevated efficiency, precision, and sustainability to unprecedented levels. Automation and robotics have replaced the labor-intensive processes of the past, with robotic arms and automated systems now seamlessly managing everything from resin handling to packaging. This not only speeds up production, but also minimizes human error, ensuring uniform quality across batches. Complementing automation is the rise of computer numerical control machines, which bring unmatched precision to the crafting of buttons. CNC technology enables manufacturers to produce intricate designs with remarkable consistency, ensuring every button is an exact replica of the prototype, no matter how complex the design. In addition to automation, advancements in high-performance materials have played a pivotal role in enhancing the durability and efficiency of button-making equipment. Mold components and machine parts crafted from these materials are better equipped to withstand the high temperatures and pressures required in processes like injection molding, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Furthermore, the industry's growing focus on sustainability has led to the integration of energy-efficient machinery. By optimizing energy consumption, manufacturers are able to significantly reduce their carbon footprint without compromising production standards. This fusion of technology and eco-conscious practices is shaping a future where buttons are not only better made. The role of sustainability in button manufacturing. As sustainability becomes a cornerstone of modern industries, the button manufacturing sector is adapting to meet eco-conscious demands. Many manufacturers are exploring biodegradable materials like Carozo, wood, and recycled plastics, reducing their reliance on petroleum-based plastics. Factories are also integrating renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, into their operations to minimize environmental impact. Advanced waste management systems are being implemented to recycle production scraps, further closing the loop on material usage. Moreover, designers are increasingly incorporating eco-friendly buttons into their garments as a selling point for environmentally conscious consumers. These efforts are not just trends, but strategic responses to regulatory pressures and growing consumer awareness. Innovations beyond manufacturing. In the digital era, buttons are no longer limited to their functional role. They are becoming platforms for innovation. Smart buttons, embedded with microchips or sensors, are entering the market, particularly in the healthcare and wearable technology sectors. These buttons can monitor health metrics, provide GPS tracking, or enable contactless payments, blending utility with advanced functionality. Augmented reality and 3D printing are also transforming design and prototyping processes, allowing manufacturers to experiment with complex shapes and customizable designs in record time. Additionally, e-commerce platforms now offer AI-driven personalization tools, enabling customers to design and order bespoke buttons, adding a digital twist to a historically tactile product. These advancements are redefining what buttons can do, merging tradition with technology in exciting ways. The global button market. The button industry is a global tapestry, with major production hubs in countries like China, India, and Italy, which collectively dominate production and export markets. China leads as the largest producer, with its factories offering cost-effective and high-volume production, while India is gaining prominence for its innovative designs and high-quality craftsmanship. Italy, on the other hand, maintains a stronghold in luxury button manufacturing, catering to high-end fashion brands with artisanally crafted pieces. The global market for polyester button-making machines continues to expand rapidly, fueled by the fashion industry's growing demand for durable and versatile button solutions that cater to both mass market and boutique needs. Manufacturers like Classic Buttons Piven Elrid have emerged as key players, leveraging cutting-edge polyester button-making machines that combine precision, speed, and energy efficiency. These advancements not only meet production demands, but also reflect a shift towards sustainability and innovation, further shaping the competitive global market. Buttons. Who knew they could be this fascinating, right? From ancient history to cutting-edge tech, these tiny heroes are everywhere, holding the world together, literally. If you enjoyed unraveling the story of buttons with us and learned something new today, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it buttoned up.